Hi everybody, so today I'm going to unbox my new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So I bought this a couple of weeks ago and uh, yeah, I think on the 9th, yeah. On the 9th actually, yeah. So it's less than 2 weeks. So here we go. I've got no scissors as you can see. I'll have to use my hands. Oh my god. As of right now, I've used this Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Samsung Everyday Epic starts here. Yeah. So how do you open that now? Okay. So yeah. Steal the night scene. Wow, that's a nice box from inside. Alright, so wow, I don't know what that is. Alright, fair enough. Free returns. Alright, so that's the invoice. That's probably return label, yeah. And by the way, it's my birthday today, so luckily I got it on my birthday, so thank you, Samsung. And so in that big box you only get this. So well, wow. I came to know you don't get charges with this, so you have to use your existing charges. So yeah, that's a very sleek box, obviously. So yeah, I've taken the seals off, yeah. Alright, it's got no information here, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. Oh my god. Wow, that is some phone. It looks a bit like Note. Obviously it's not Note. So that's the phone. Let's see what comes with this. So that's the... Alright, you get instructions, and this is what do you call this? Yeah, USB. And you get instructions with it. Startup guide and etc. Yeah. So I don't need it. I'll use my existing one. So that's the phone. Wow. Oh my god. Looks really nice, man. Looks really big as well. So that's my S20 Ultra, and they're kind of same, yeah. It's just because it's probably more square shape. This one is rounded. So yeah. Let me turn this on. Let's see if it's probably got no... Oh yeah, it comes on, yeah. So I've got this in white color because, you know, I like white colors. Sorry. Oh yeah, it doesn't leave fingerprints. So yeah, that's nice. That I like that because you know, the what do you call this? Oh yes, welcome. What language is that? All right, no, it's English now. So yeah, guys, this is it. I really like the phone. It looks really nice. It's got that silver trim, and it's got this S Pen as well. So this is something new for me because I've never bought myself a Note. So I've never used a Note. So this is the first time I've got this. Well, this is the first time, you know, they put, you know, this pen into a Galaxy series. So let's see. I'll see afterwards. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna upload another video of obviously I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna use it. And until then, if you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you.